is the antique elevator at the Redlands Galleria. I want to show the sill. Otis Elevator Company. Is this from 1926? I think that's when the building was built, or sometime around there.
Can I come into this? Does it have a weight capacity? Okay.
Is there a basement? Yeah, we'll go there first.
Watch over here. You can want to film this thing.
I want to show this.
Oh, okay.
Alright, I want to go back up to 2, but be quiet so we can hear the sound of the elevator. Can we go up to the top, floor 2? And then back down to the basement. Here we're at the basement. Do you have to go soon?
She does, because she's working.
Okay. Then we can go back up.
Also, we should probably find another way to ask people to be quiet while we're filming. I'm like, okay.
Okay, can I get a view of the elevator? Like
Just, yeah, get your view. Do it.
After you leave, I don't know if you care if we get a view of the elevator. Like just what it looks like. Very beautiful. Otis car switch control. That's the annunciator panel. This doesn't work anymore, does it? I think they used to say if someone called the elevator.
I only use that. Up and down. That's it.
Yeah.
The door.
I would have once said, is it okay if I stay in the elevator just to look at it?
Pardon?
Is it okay if I stay in the elevator for a little bit just to look at it, not to ride it?
Thank you so much.
Very classic elevator, very beautiful. Caged windows. Otis. Here's the state ID, 014342. There's the permit. Overhead traction. Don't know what that key switch does. Very beautiful. I want to show over here. Rattles when you walk around it. Very beautiful elevator. Hopefully this elevator never gets modernized. I love it. No car door. There's the ceiling. That light does not look original. Looks like there used to be a light back up there. Very classic. I love this elevator. So beautiful. Very beautiful. Back wall. Show off the vents. Very beautiful elevator. Of all the elevators I filmed on the trip so far, this is one of my favorites. Very classic elevator. I'll just show it from out here. Old vents. Is there a call button out here? Is it under there? I'm not sure. I don't know if there is even a call button anymore. Can we move this stuff? I think I see the call button, but it's not visible. I'm not going to press it, though. It's hiding back there, see it? It's not going to show up all like this, but that's the call button. There it is. That might be the best view I can get of it, but if you don't want to pull it back more than just put it
That's
back.
as far as I can
Okay.
go. It's about right like that.
Well, there's the call button. I'm not going to press it because who knows how long it's been since let's press that. It doesn't sound like they use it anymore, so I don't think it still works. I want to show the elevator. Anyway. By the way, this used to be the Harris department store. Anyway. That's it. Let's get a view up the shaft. Very classic. No car door. Oh, look at that interlock. ES Elevator Supplies Company, I think it says. Wow. You can see the cables very well. You can also see the cables for the counterweight. It's hard to see, but you can kind of see the cables. Looks like it has 4 of them, maybe? Hard to tell. I want to show the car switch in better light, the inside fixtures. Locdrop by Elevator Supplies Company, Hoboken, New Jersey. I hope they never modernize this one. Looks like they have electromagnets in there that would have operated that, and that would have been the reset button. To operate car with doors open. Did this used to have a door at one point? Oh, maybe that bypasses the hoistway door. I'm not sure. Off, on, that's the switch. And last but not least, the Otis car switch. Awesome. I love that car switch. Beautiful. Wiring goes down a pipe into the floor. That switch, I believe, is a stop switch or a safety circuit switch. Anyway, that's it.